It's a tale of two separate markets in Brantford right now. Some homes are flying off the shelf with multiple bidders. Others, they're sitting there for months with little to no interest. If you're planning to buy or sell, knowing which side of the market you're in is critical. Because if you price it, market it, or time it wrong, you could be leaving money on the table or sitting on the market for months. In this video, I'll break down the latest trends, highlight where homes are moving fast, and I'll show you how to position yourself for success whether you're buying or selling this year. Every month, I break down exactly what's happening in Brantford's market so that you can make the best moves, whether that's buying, selling, or just staying informed with the value of your home. Today, I'm going to be covering the hottest price points right now in Brantford, where homes are struggling to sell, and what you can expect next in the 2025 market. And stick around right till the end of the video because I'm going to share with you how to get a free custom strategy session to make sure that you are making the right moves in this real estate market. So let's dive into some of the market trends and talk about what's really changed over the last couple months. So the past 2 months have completely shifted the market. And here's what you need to know. First, lower priced homes are on fire. In December, homes under 600,000 had only a 1.4 month supply. Now, it's dropped even further down to 1.3 months supply. This means multiple offers and quick sales happening in Brantford's most affordable price segments. Now, if you're in this market and trying to sell a home, you need a smart pricing strategy to attract those multiple bids and top offers. And I can help you with that. Now, if you're selling a luxury home, it's a completely different story. Homes priced over $1 million, the market is tough and slow. Practically no sales have occurred in the last 2 months. That means if you're selling, you're going to need exceptional marketing, strategic pricing, and of course, patience. Selling over 1 million takes a special strategy in this market. And the most important thing is to start your plans early so you're not caught in a desperate situation. Now, townhomes under 600K flipped from being a buyer's market just a couple months ago to now being a seller's market. And that's a major shift. So if you own a townhome and you're thinking of selling it, now might be the time to act before the competition starts heating back up again in the next couple months. Looking at newer condos, especially ones less than 5 years old, it's still extremely slow. The supply jumped from being a 10-month supply to now being a 16-month supply, meaning buyers practically have the upper hand to pick and choose which condo they want in most buildings available here in Brantford. If you are a buyer looking in the condo market, this is your opportunity to negotiate a very good deal. So what does this all mean for you? Well, let's talk about how to win in today's market. So if you're thinking of selling a home this year and your home is in one of Brantford's hot segments, like say detached homes under 600K or townhomes, you have a prime opportunity to get a premium price for your home. But don't let that make you overconfident. Your presentation and strategy still really matters. So to maximize your sale price, you want to focus on home staging, making your home show as beautifully as possible, high quality marketing to get your home in front of the buyer's eyeballs, and of course, pricing it perfectly to maximize the attention and drive multiple offers. A sloppy listing process means you're going to leave money on the table. So if you want a tailored strategy for your home, let's chat and I can show you exactly how to win. Now, buyers, if you're shopping in a hot market, you need to be prepared. Number one, have your financing in place. And number two, be ready to act quickly when those new listings hit the market. You need to work on a smart strategy for when you find yourself in a multiple offer situation. I've seen buyers lose out on homes because they weren't prepared. So let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. You can message me and I will help you craft a winning game plan to buy in a hot market. Now let's flip the script. Maybe you're in one of the colder segments of the market. So if you're a home seller and you're trying to get your home sold in one of these slower segments, like a high-end home or a new condo, you're going to need a competitive edge. That means the absolute best possible marketing available, the smart pricing strategy to make sure you stand out. And you're going to either need patience for the right buyer to show up or a strategy that makes you the clear best deal on the market when the buyers are shopping. Now, if you need to sell your home fast in a slower segment of the market, we may need to adjust your price proactively. But if you have time on your side, I can show you how to position your home for its maximum value, even in a slower market. Now, buyers, if you're looking at a high-end home right now or a condo, this is your time to jump in there and win. What you need to realize is other buyers are hesitating, and that means that you, as an active buyer, have the leverage. You can negotiate aggressively, push for better terms, and secure a deal that just wouldn't be possible in a hot market. If you're curious where I think the best deals are happening right now, just let me know in the comments and I can send you a custom report of homes where I think the biggest negotiations are happening right now. Okay, let's talk about some predictions for 2025. Number one, affordable detached homes and townhomes are going to remain the hottest segment of this year just based on affordability. Luxury homes, however, are going to take a little longer to recover. But as demand builds to the east of us in the GTA, that energy eventually spills over into Brantford and our luxury buyers return. Now, interest rates are stabilizing and may even be going lower this year. And when that continues to happen, the buyer confidence grows. So by late spring, we could see much more movement happening up into the higher price points. If you want to know how these trends will impact your specific situation, I've put together a complete neighborhood and price point breakdown of this entire report. I can send it over to you as a PDF. All you need to do is message me. Okay, let's talk about how you actually craft a winning strategy in a market like this. Real estate isn't about luck, it's about timing, planning, and making a smart move. And that's exactly what I help my clients with. So, first of all, maybe you want to know what's happening right in your neighborhood. Well, I can send you a free, no obligation breakdown of the market stats right in your neighborhood, right on your street, including the sale prices most recently logged by some of your neighbors. Next, maybe you need a game plan to actually map out how are you going to make all this happen. Well, that's where a free strategy session comes in. We can book it one-on-one, either over voice or face-to-face, and we can completely map out your steps to a successful move. Maybe you're just curious about what your home is worth right now after this rocky up and down series of years we've gone through. Well, no problem. We can do an in-home evaluation with no pressure just to give you some insights on what your home may be worth if you decide to sell. Click on any of the links below to message me directly, and we can start talking about your next move. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, do me a favor and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates like this right on your home feed, and we'll see you on the next update.